Yes. Today we will discuss the synthesis of fentanyl citrate. What is the fentanyl? What is the mechanism of action? What are the different uses of fentanyl citrate and how it can be synthesized by in a medicinal chemistry point of view. Okay, so let us start the fentanyl citrate. As you know, the fentanyl citrate we have discussed in the synthetic opioid receptor. Opioid analgesics means that belongs to narcotic analgesics. Okay, that narcotic analgesics. How narcotic analgesic? Because it is related to morphine. Okay, now come to the synthesis. Before going to synthesis, we should discuss the mechanism of action as well as the uses. First is the mechanism of action. Basically, it is the selective mu opioid receptor agonist. What is the meaning of opioid? That have a mimic action on the opioid receptor, which results that is the effect that analgesia, respiratory depression, sedation, euphoria, meiosis, and GIT motility. Okay, see the first point, that is the analgesia. Number of times there are certain questions in multiple choice questions in different competitive exams like GPAT or pharmacist or DCU exams, like that mu opiate receptor mediated action is, that is analgesia, again euphoria, that is meiosis, that is respiratory depression, that is sedation. Then means in this fashion you must remember all these actions that is related to mu receptor. Okay, because of these analgesic effect, the usage of fentanyl citrate, that is potent analgesic effect, like means whenever the normal analgesic means that belongs to NSAID category, they are not effective. In that case we have to use these category analgesic, means narcotic analgesics, and fentanyl citrate is one of the best potent drug which have a potent analgesic effect, and that potent analgesic effect can be used in the cancer pain, labor pain, and post operative pain. Means systemic pain is there, then in that situation fentanyl citrate can be used in the to manage different types of pain. Okay, this is all about what the mechanism of action as well as uses. Now we would like to discuss the synthesis. How the synthesis? If we will go, see the starting material, there are two certain molecules. We would like to have a nomenclature of these molecules. That this is a heterocyclic ring system. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, then what is the ring system? That is the piperidine. How it is a piperidine? I would like to show this. This is the pyridine. Pyridine is the saturated one. That is the piperidine. That is the piperidine. Okay. Now piperidine have a fourth position, that is ketone, and this benzene having a methyl group, that is benzyl. How, where is the benzyl? One position, means one benzyl piperidine 4-on. That is the IPC name of this molecule, and have a this is a, as you know, it is a very simple aniline. Piperidine 4-on, that is here ketone functional group, here amino functional group. You, as per your 12th class reaction, means carbonyl compound reaction. Here is the carbonyl group, and that is the ketone. Here is the amino derivative. It is a very simple, that is removal of water molecule, and this oxygen and this hydrogen removed as water molecule, simply attachment of nitrogen with a double bond. Okay, this reaction known as, that is nucleophilic addition reaction. This is nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, this is the characteristic reaction of what? Carbonyl compound. This carbonyl compound. Clear? Now see this is the same double bond is there. Clear? In next step, lithium aluminum hydride is taken to reduce this double bond. That is means reaction number second. That is a reduction. That is a reduction. Very simple reaction means attachment of hydrogen. This is a reduction. Simply nothing else. Clear? Now, in next step here nitrogen have a one hydrogen. Nitrogen have a one hydrogen means here we can easily acetylation means this is the propionic. This is a propionic. This is a propionic, and if two propionic acids propionyl group are attached with the oxygen, that is a anhydride form. That is means propionic anhydride. Okay, propionic anhydride. Now it is very simple. One H and one this group. This group is removed as what? CH3CH2COOH. This is removed as a propionic acid, and another CH3CO that is attached to this one, then CH3CH2CO. This propionyl group attached to this point, and this benzene this side. Okay, means this reaction known as third reaction number third, that is acylation. That is acylation. Means acylation means acyl group is attached, means here acyl group is a propionyl. Here now in next step here we are treating with hydrogen with platinum and carbon. In that situation here simply removal of this benzene along with the methyl group means as a toluene. It is removed as a toluene and simply a hydrogen is replaced, means reaction number 4, that is reductive cleavage. That is reductive cleavage. Means what is the meaning of this? Reductive cleavage means there is a reduction followed by cleavage of this toluene or benzyl as a toluene. Okay, that is the reaction number 4. In next step here the phenyl ethyl chloride is as this reacting molecule to this one. Very simple, H and chlorine will be removed as a HCl, and simply this phenyl ethyl moiety is attached to this one. Okay, that phenyl ethyl there means simply that reaction number 5, that is the simply condensation reaction. That is simply condensation reaction. Okay, condensation reaction. Now next step, this is the fentanyl molecule. This is the fentanyl molecule, but do you know the structure that the fentanyl citrate means its dosage form contains a fentanyl citrate instead of fentanyl. The fentanyl have a nitrogen. Nitrogen have a lone pair of electrons. Electron presence on nitrogen, it acts as a base. Means it react with acid to form salt. Okay, to form salt means that reaction number of 6 reaction is the salt formation. 6 reaction is the salt formation. Very simple reaction means this is the citric acid molecule and this one our fentanyl molecule combinedly known as that is a fentanyl citrate molecule. Okay, this is fentanyl citrate. It is a very easy synthesis. If you will correlate the reactions means nucleophilic addition reaction, reduction, that is acylation, that is reductive cleavage, that is condensation followed by the salt formation, you can easily remember the synthesis of fentanyl citrate. Okay, this is all about what fentanyl citrate means, mechanism action, usage and synthesis of fentanyl citrate. Now, I would like to give a conclusion about this lecture means write short note on fentanyl citrate. In that situation, you have to produce all things. Means first you have to put the same adding means fentanyl citrate, that is synthetic opioid, narcotic analgesic. In that next step, that you must write the mechanism action followed by the usage of fentanyl citrate. Then last give the synthesis of the fentanyl citrate. try to write in a proper manner in that situation, and if you put the type of reaction means nucleophilic addition, reduction, or that is acylation, reductive cleavage, then this is type of nomenclature of reaction, then in that situation you will get 100% marks. Okay, this is all about the subjective type of question. Number of times you find the structure, you find the multiple choice related to pentenyl citrate. The multiple choice questions may be related to that is mechanism of action as well as usage. Okay, this is all about the pentenyl citrate. Clear?